Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this lesson we're going to be learning about creating plan and profile sheets in Civil 3D. So let's get started. In this exercise you'll create plan and profile sheets from the view frames you created in the earlier exercise. After you've used the Create View Frames wizard to create view frames, you'll create sheets using the Create Sheets wizard. The sheets that are created represent the layouts that are used for construction documents. Let's start by specifying the sheet creation settings. Go ahead and open up your Plan Production Plan Profile Sheets -Create drawing in your Tutorials folder. The current drawing must be saved before you create section sheets. To prevent this tutorial drawing from being overwritten, save it to an alternate location such as your desktop. Now go ahead and go up to your Output tab and then over to the Plan Production panel. Click Create Sheets. Note that on any page of this wizard you may click Create Sheets to create the sheets using the default choices on the wizard pages, which is located right here. If there are criteria that have not been supplied, then the Create Sheets button is not available. Now that we're in the Create Sheets wizard, on the Viewframe Group and Layouts page, specify the following parameters. On the Viewframe Group, we're going to leave it on the default of Maple Road. Notice that you may select all of the view frames in the group or a selection of view frames within the currently selected view frame group. Next, under Layout Creation, we want to select the number of layouts to include with a new drawing, and we're going to leave that at the default of 1. This option creates a drawing for each layout. If you enter a value greater than 1, say 3 for example, 3 layouts are created in each drawing. The total number of sheets and drawings would depend on the length of the alignment selected and other criteria such as size and scale of the viewports in the reference template. You can only enter in an integer that's between 0 and 256. Now, for the layout name, leave this at its default. Now choose the north arrow block to align in layouts. We're going to leave that at its default of north. This option orients a north arrow block that's defined in the template. This list is populated with all the blocks that are present in the current drawing. Notice that there is a none selection that's available if you don't wish to include a north arrow block. Go ahead and select Next. On the Sheet Set page, under Sheet Set, select New Sheet Set. This option specifies that a new sheet set will be created to organize the new sheets. A sheet set allows you to manage and publish a series of sheets as a unit. In the following steps, you'll specify a location for the individual sheets and the sheet set data, which is commonly referred to as the DST file. For best results, store the sheet set data file and its associated sheet files in the same location. For more information about working with sheets and sheet sets, see the AutoCAD help. Now let's determine our sheet set storage location. Go ahead and select this button right here. Select your tutorial data folder. Click Open. Now for the sheet file storage location, we're going to select this button right here, and you'll see that we're currently in the right folder. Go ahead and click Open. Now let's click Next. Now one thing to note is that if the view frames do not include any profile views, then the Profile Views page in the Create Sheet Set wizard will be skipped. The Data Reference page will instead be displayed next. For right now, on the Profile Views page, under Other Profile View Options, select Choose Settings. Another thing to note is that you specified the profile view settings during the Create View Frames exercise. Let's click the Profile View wizard. In the Create Multiple Profile Views wizard, use the links along the left side or the back and next buttons to examine the available settings. We can go ahead and do that for right now. Many of the settings are not available because they are already defined by the currently selected Viewframe group. For more information, see the Creating Multiple Profile Views tutorial. Let's go ahead and click Finish. In the Create Sheets wizard, under Align Views, select Align Profile and Plan View at Start. This option aligns the alignment starting station in Plan View with the profile starting station in Profile View. The Profile View shifts to the right to accommodate the exact alignment starting station. Let's select Next. On the Data References page, you can select or omit the objects for which you want references included in your sheets. Notice that the Maple Road alignment and profiles are selected by default. Go ahead and scroll down until we get to our pipe networks and check the box next to pipe networks. After that, we're ready to create our sheets. So go ahead and select that button. When you come to this prompt, to complete this process, your current drawing will be saved. Go ahead and select OK. Go ahead and check the box to dismiss this event. We're now being prompted to select the profile view origin. We're going to go ahead and pan to a clear area within our drawing. Select this point right here. After your sheets are created, the Sheet Set Manager is displayed, showing the newly created sheets. For more information on the Sheet Set Manager, see the Sheet Set Manager help topics in the AutoCAD Help. If the Sheet Set Manager does not open, enter Sheet Set on the command line. These sheets are contained within a DST file. The way that you find your DST file is you select Open and navigate to your My Civil Tutorial folder and then select that DST file. Then click Open. Select one of your sheets, right-click, and click Open. We'll move this off to the side and then pan over to our sheet. The sheet opens as a brand new drawing. Note that you can publish your sheets by selecting the set, right-clicking, and go into the Publish settings. Or you can share them by using the eTransmit feature. So that's how you go about creating plan and profile sheets in Civil 3D. If you'd like to learn more about Civil 3D workflow tips and tricks, visit AutoCAD Civil3D Training.com and be sure to sign up for future video notifications or click subscribe on our YouTube channel. Again, my name is Charles Ellison. Take care.